Hey everybody, hello. I'm recording a replacement video for how to install and get Knoxville Divergence into your Metatrader 4. The reason is the original video that we recorded up there on the big digital whiteboard did not have any sound, so it was impossible to hear anything I said. So with that, we'll cut to a new version of this video right here on my laptop, and then we'll get back to the videos that you were seeing. We want to thank Forest Park FX for being a sponsor, and here we are on my computer screen. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to robbooker.com. That's my website, and at the top of the page there will be a link for a free indicator, and you click that link and it takes you to a page that looks something like this. Free indicator reveals trends ahead of the crowd, and so forth. You put your first name in, and then you type your email address in. Now, that's my private email address that I use to talk to my friends and my wife. If you email me at this address, I will just delete your email. So please don't email me at this address, but I'm going to show it to you because I feel like it's not going to be that big of a deal. So you click Download Now. What this does is it takes you to a thank you page, and it says, I think you're going to love it, and it gives you some additional offers from friends of mine, and if you choose a couple of those offers, that would just bring super joy and happiness to my heart. It takes a few minutes, but after a few minutes in your inbox of your email, you're going to get a few emails. Now you could say welcome to Rob Booker membership with your login and password. You might only get an email that says, from Rob Booker, you've been granted access to the Rob Booker Knoxville Divergence Indicator. You may get 3 emails, depending on when I'm doing a special offer. You may get some kind of offer in your email or something else like that. But you're going to get a series of emails, one of which, if you're brand new, will give you your login and password, and one of which will say you've been granted access to the Knoxville Divergence Indicator package. And you'll click Login. Now it's going to take you to a login page. If you can't remember your login, or you don't have one, or you don't remember getting a login, or you didn't ever get your password sent to you, click the bottom of this page for Forgot Password, type in your email address, and then get a password reminder sent to you. Otherwise, you just click in your email and your password. And that's going to take you to your members library. Now, I have a lot of stuff inside of my members library because I own the company. One of these is going to be the Knoxville Divergence Indicator, and you'll see it right here, View Product. So this is the product that you'll see. I'm going to even capture the screen and circle it here so you know exactly what it is that you're looking for. There it is. That's the one you're looking for in your members library. It may be the only one inside of your members library. You click on that product, and if you scroll down, you will see that there are a series of indicator downloads available. Metatrader 4, Metastock, and so forth. Click on Metatrader 4. And there's no video or anything else because we're doing these videos on YouTube. So there's no video right here. You're watching the videos that we're using to help you download, install, and use the indicator. On the right-hand side of the page, under the Downloads link, you will see a zip file right there. You want to download that zip file to your computer. Okay, so we'll go over here to my server and go over here to tfl.mykajabi.com, go to My Library, scroll down to the Knoxville Divergence Indicator if I can find it. There we go. View the product, Metatrader 4, and 2 downloads. And then I'll click Download, and it will download to my Downloads folder. Now you may wonder, why did I just switch browsers and so forth? This browser window you're looking at right now is on my virtual private server where I use Metatrader all the time. So this is my primary Metatrader server, and this is the place where I want to download it. I then show this file in my downloads folder, and it's all zipped up, so I have to double click on it to extract it. And inside you can see the Knoxville Divergence indicator. Excellent. I want to right click and choose copy. Now I've copied that file to the clipboard. Now I'm going to go over here to Metatrader. And this is one of my live accounts that you're looking at right now. Got a little drawdown going on, about 2.7% drawdown. And I've got some trades running and whatever else. Great, whatever. I'm going to click on File and Open Data Folder. And I'll pause here for a moment and let you do this alongside me. I click on Open Data Folder, and it brings up this folder inside of Metatrader, and I want to double click on the MQL4 folder. Then I want to look for the Indicators folder and double click on that as well. Now I want to right click in this area and choose Paste. And this destination already has a file named Knoxville Divergence version 3.5.ex4. Okay, I already have it in here, so I don't need to worry about this. I can skip this file. But for you, it will not give you that error because you don't have it yet. So I'll exit out of here, exit out of this box, and now I'm back inside of Metatrader. I could click on Market Watch, and I could bring up a brand new chart window with the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. And what I'll do here is make this really gigantic and get rid of the grid. Okay, then I'm going to switch to candlesticks because I like using candlesticks better. All right, and I'm on a 1 hour chart, that's fine. Now I want to get the Knoxville Divergence indicator onto my chart. I go to View, Navigator, scroll to the top of the Indicators section, right click, and choose Refresh. Now if I scroll down, the Knoxville Divergence indicator will be in the list of indicators. I can drag it over onto the chart if I like. I could choose Insert Indicators, Custom, Knoxville Divergence, and click OK. And now we'll walk through the settings just one more time in case we have not done that yet. Candles back is 30, and that refers to the number of bars or candles that the indicator will check when it is looking for divergence. The maximum number of bars or candles across which a divergence line will appear is 30. You can change this number to a higher or lower number and play around with it. The RSI is set to 21, the momentum is set to 20, and I don't change that. The fast moving average period is 12, slow moving average period is 26, and the signal is 9. That's for the MACD. The stochastic is set to 70-10, and then 10, 70, and 30. 70 and 30 are the overbought and oversold. If I click OK, what I've done is I've put the Knoxville Divergence indicator on my screen. You can see here these red lines above the candles are a bearish Knoxville Divergence, meaning the market might move down. And the green lines underneath my bars or candles are bullish Knoxville Divergences, suggesting that price might rise. You'll also see in the indicator the reversal tabs. You don't have to display those. I'll show you how to remove them in a moment, just in case I don't later on. But these are the subject of a separate lesson inside this series. If I right-click on a reversal tab, I can adjust the divergence properties. If I change stochastic upper to 99 and stochastic lower to 1 and click OK, the arrows will disappear and no longer will be on your chart. That's a personal decision that you will make whether to display them or not after you've watched this series of videos, downloaded the indicator, and decided if you want to use them or not. The Knoxville Divergence is only these red or green lines. The reversal arrows are really a separate indicator included inside of this one indicator package. I choose to display both. You may not choose that if you don't want to. Okay, that's how to download and install the Knoxville Divergence indicator in your Metatrader platform. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next one. I want to just thank Forest Park FX for sponsoring this video series. If you're interested in currency trading, contact Forest Park FX to open an account and get cashback rebates on every trade you place. Contact forestpark.com. Trading involves a substantial risk of loss in the world of Forex and is not suitable for all investors, and terms and conditions will apply. Bye for now, everyone.